guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video I have a wig video for you guys. So the things that you will need, just how to install your wig quickly. Let's get into the video. So you will need styling gel, so got to be glue. I go with the black one. You would need any mousse of your kind. So you have the Lola body, so these two mousses here. You will need some ghost blonde glue if that is your choice, rubbing alcohol, cotton swab. You will also need a got to be freeze spray. You will need a elastic band for your head as well. A little bit of foundation of your skin tone. You will also need a wrap. These things you can find at your local beauty supply store as well. You will also need an eyebrow shaver, and I will show you what this is for. Tail comb as well. Hot comb, flat iron, and the last thing is a blow dryer. So you need the wig. So the wig that I'm using today is from Slay Sister wig. So it says Slay Sister wig, and this is the Slay Lace 1B in Georgia. This is the hair here again, and so this is what it looks like, and there is the instruction on the back. And I'm just going to use a rubbing alcohol swab again, and I want it to dry. And this takes off any excess. So if you have any excess stuff, you use this to hold down the stuff. And if you have a stocking cap, you can also use a stocking cap, more of a nude tan color stocking cap will be ideal. So now that I have used my rubbing alcohol, I can put that out the way. And if you want to go in, you can use this as well, but I'm not going to use this. This is an alternative. So instead of using the ghost blonde glue, you would use this and the freeze spray. And this is for a quick hold. So that's if you want a quick hold, basically put on the wig and take it off by the night. You can use this. You could also use it and it can hold you maybe up to 2 to 3 days, depending on what you're doing. But I want mine to hold me a little bit longer, so I'm planning on using this and my ghost blonde glue. Okay, so let me find, so I'm gonna go, now that that's dry, I'm going to spray. So this part you would have actually have on your wig. You would have put on the wig cap, and then you would have sprayed. So you would have sprayed the perimeter of it. So, and then I just use my cotton. So this is my cotton that is already saturated in it's already saturated in the rubbing alcohol. So I'm just going to use my hand and I'm going to brush back because I want this to dry, so to protect my edges. So I want it to actually dry, and usually I'll take the comb and try and comb my hair back so it lays flat, because since I am not using a wig cap, right? I just wanted to protect. You can go in with this so it dries faster. Wig on now and then adjust it. So put it on. Don't mind, it looks a little bit crazy, but I'm going to adjust it the way I want it. All right, and find the part. Okay, so all right, and then let me see. I'm just going to clip the clips underneath, guys. And this is so easy, you can do it. And then I use the clip there, right? Alright, so you see, I just want to see how it look first, guys, and look. This is how it looks with nothing being done to it. You can see it now. So this is what it looks like, and this is with the lace on. Look at it. This girl looks banging. All right, so what I'm going to do now is go in with my Ghost Bond glue. It's almost finishing. I'm going to dab, so this goes in front of my hairline, and then I have an old one, so I'm just going to smoothen it out. So as you see, the first coat has dried, so you want it clear like that, but I'm going to do one more coat. So as you can see, it is pretty much dry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put the clips. So I want to make sure, and this is what holds the hair. So you want it clear like the way you see it, and then you're just going to put this down, just go in, pull it down, and use my headband here, right? So this is the elastic band, so this is why elastic band comes in handy. And you want, I pretty much want my lace melted, so I'm going to tie this down, use this one. So I'm going to use this one, tie this one down first. So now that I use that, and then I go over it with this. It holds it down, gives it a nice firm hold. We're almost finished, guys, and I'm gonna cut off the lace. So where I put my scissors. So this is where the scissors come in to cut off the lace, and then right, okay. So. Okay, so that is good. I'm just going to have to catch this up a little bit tighter so I can get all the hairs, and then I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow cutter. And when you're doing this, you want to, here, I could start from the side. You want to jaggedy, so you want to shape, use this, it gives it that jaggedy edge to shape it. So let me cut it off. Okay, so that is one gone. Okay, guys, and look at that so far. What? Here is the finished product look of the hair. As you can see, I just did up my face, and this is the finished product look of the hair. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you like this video, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see on this channel, and what do you think of this look. Does this hair suit me? So I love it, and the good thing, you can flip it over and it's still very nice. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.